What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach. And today I'm going into Mr. and Mrs. Krabs. I just left the casino. Y'all can watch that video and see how they told me I can't record again. They just play hating on your girl. But I decided, because I'm so sad, I called Daddy about to cry. I got a one-on-one at 8. And I was just like, it was a bad day. I wrecked my van. After I wrecked my van, I got into it, like I got the YouTube group that don't really want me in the group because of my success. I got that going on. Had to leave that group, and I absolutely loved being a part of the group. And then the casino said I can't record again, and like another manager came and said you still can't record. So I just felt super frustrated, and I called Daddy. I was about to cry. He was just like, you know what, let that go. You still having a good day. Just go home, get ready for your class. Like, don't let that ruin your whole day. And I really appreciate him for having that kind of positive outlook no matter what. So I decided, I'm so mad, I want some crabs. Y'all ever been so mad you want some crabs? When I'm mad, I either want crabs or ice cream. So today, crabs won. So I decided I'm coming to get me some Mr. and Mrs. Krabs. I'm going to take y'all in there with me to get it. I'll try to eat some with y'all before my class, but my class in like 40 minutes. Y'all know I thrive under pressure. This is Mr. and Mrs. Krabs Juicy Seafood and Bar. This is the Brandon location. I ordered a combo A. That's what I usually always get. A combo A with Mr. and Mrs. Krabs sauce mild. I also got me 2 pounds. Hi. Is that my sister? Yeah, my little sister. So can she take off your mask? She do hair. What you call yourself now? You ain't China Styles no more. What's still China? China Experience, boo. China Experience, boo. I'm recording. I'm vlogging. So I record first. And then after I record, I upload it later. I ain't seen my sister in forever. This is my sister on my daddy's side. How long we seen each other? Oh, it's been years. She had did my hair. Oh, so my little bob. My little famous bob. Well, y'all be trying to talk about my little bob. Barbie do hair. She from Miami. She be back and forth. Oh, I love it. Thank you, sister. But she had did my bob. So, like, my profile picture, that little famous picture of me, that's who did my hair. Y'all be like, that don't look like you, that hair covering your eyes. I'm going to get my hair like that again. Girl, you smell like you been smoking something. I'm in love with hair shine. Oh, my God. What, you finna sit down? No, I'm finna leave. I ordered my food to go. Yeah. You finna sit down? Mm-hmm. You like this one? What's your favorite Mr. and Mrs. Krabs location? Brandon. I think Gandy okay, but Gandy be too busy. Yeah, be too busy. It be full of vanilla peaches. White folk. Alright, peach patch. So this is what Mr. and Mrs. Krabs look like in the inside. And it's really, really busy. I like the atmosphere. They always be playing music. Hopefully y'all can hear it because we don't need that effect in my coins. But what it look like in the inside. I really love crawfish. My kids don't like Louisiana just to try crawfish because I ain't never had crawfish before. So I would love to try. Like, I had crawfish, but not Louisiana crawfish. But they crawfish pretty good.
See you later, Peaches and her blog family. What is it, blog?
The peach patch.
Oh, see you later. Talk to you guys later, the peach patch.
Love you, sister. I love you too. So for those of y'all who don't already know, my daddy got 22 kids. So if you're like, how you seen your sister in years? And I haven't. My daddy got 22 kids, got a lot of children. But that's one of my good sisters. Like, I actually get along with her. She's really cool. She's a great hairstylist. My total ended up being how much? $68.69. It's so high. Like, I could get us a box of snow crabs from home. But what really made my food high is I didn't ask if they had any current discounts. And also, I got 2 pounds of crawfish. Last time I got 1 pound and I had to share with the kids. They didn't like them. Thank God they didn't like them, but it wasn't enough. So I'm like, this time I'm gonna get 2 pounds so I could really, really enjoy myself before this class. To go order, they already have it ready. Sometimes I just ordered it when I was down the street, so it might not be, but I got my food, so it's ready. Can I have lemon, please? And this restaurant is owned by, I don't know if they Chinese, but I don't know what they race is, some Asians. And they have multiple locations, family operated. I think they got the best crabs. May I have some lemon?
Lemon?
Yes,
okay,
please.
Hold on this back.
Thank
right
you.
Here, okay?
We got our food. She gave me. Oh, you okay, little baby? This little boy done fell on the ground. Oh, this sister helped him up. He fell on the ground, y'all. But he crying. He look like he hurt his little teeth. But this was a pretty fast pickup. Somebody gonna be like, Peaches, you so trifling. You should have picked that little boy up. But his sister got him before I could. Peach patch. I noticed that I battle with my thing's so dusty. Hold on. Let me try to clean it off. Oh, it's just stained up. Whatever. Judgment. But I realized, like, everything in life not gonna go my way. And it sucks. Don't y'all get mad when everything don't go y'all way? Like, I'm so mad. Like, I know I have the potential to be like the best gambling channel on YouTube. We ain't rich. Like, we ain't gonna be gambling a lot of money, but we could be entertaining. I have the ability to be the best gambling channel on YouTube. And I'm just like, God, what do you want from me? Do you want me to not gamble? Do you want me to not gamble and save all my money? God, if so, just say that. But God, if that's the case, why you let my gambling channel get monetized? Like, what am I supposed to do over there if I can't gamble? So I gotta pray about that, y'all. I feel a little sad. I'm not finna sit up here in front. I feel a little sad, a little discouraged. But my whole life, I have had to be relentless. I've been counted out my whole life. All I could do is prove people wrong. So I mean that, Hard Rock, y'all ass gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it. This time for real, I'm not coming back in it again for no money. I'm gonna come back, get the rest of my little free stuff, okay? The rest of my little free stuff. But after this, it's like, I hope y'all enjoyed that little 140. And then I was like, I could do scratch outs, but y'all, I'm so not lucky on scratch outs. I don't know how to pick them. Somebody from, ooh, Daddy just told me this morning, was they from Wesley Chapel? Somebody from like around this area, they just won $5 million on a scratch off. Can y'all believe that? $5 million on a scratch off. I'm like, I don't know if I could get that lucky on a scratch off. I don't know how to pick. But I'm just trying to stay encouraged and just remember, like, life not gonna always go your way. So don't get too upset. Like, I am upset. I still feel like it's a racist decision because I feel like I got the subby count, I got the view count, I have the energy. You know, I am honest. I lose. I be sad. I be about to cry when I lose. I'm emotional. You know, when my emotions on my sleeve. But I don't know. I just got to trust God. He got something better for me. God got something better for me. It's just like, God, what? You know, like, what is it? What is this better? So, a little discouraged. The good news is I do have a lot of gambling videos that I haven't uploaded yet. So, I'm going to edit those, upload those, while I sit down and think of a plan, like what we gonna do next with Gamble with Peach. What we gonna do over there? Are we gonna start doing scratch offs? Are we gonna start contacting other casinos, seeing if they're willing to let you gamble and record at their casinos? Because I don't understand the big deal. Like, I really don't understand what is wrong with what I'm doing. Like, I don't understand it. It's because I'm cheap. Because I'm cheap. Because if my morals don't align, like, let's say you don't like my channel, you don't think our morals align, you don't have to sponsor me. I'm using my own money. Hold on, one of my kids calling me. My oldest son calling me. He wanted to go buy him some Pokemon cards, so he was really bothering me. It was nice seeing my sister. That was like one of my favorite sisters. I think that is my favorite sister, not one of them. But this right here, she's just real sensitive. She like me. I'm sensitive too, but she's super sensitive. They gave me a lot of sauce. I'll show y'all when I get home. That way I won't waste it in the car. So that's my combo A. My mouth is watering. I know it's gonna make me feel better, but I just have to realize this not gonna be a smooth process. Like my daddy say, life is full of adversities. You're gonna get told no. People gonna try to stop you. People gonna try to dim your light. You're gonna have resistance. It's gonna be days where you want to fumble. Like right now, I just want to cry because I want this so bad. I have a vision in my mind of how great my gambling channel can be. But it's just like, okay, we just gonna have to remap this. We're gonna calm down. We're gonna go eat our crabs, the couple crabs we could muster, because now I got 20 minutes to make it home. I might not even be able to eat any crabs until after my class. It's fine. Sacrifices you make. And then you know, just keep your eye on the prize. Have tunnel vision. I said I have tunnel vision. No matter what happens, I'm not gonna give up. If I have to, you know, change my mind, I had to turn that blinker off. It was getting on my nerves. If I have to change my plan of action, like come up with a different route to go, that's what we're gonna have to do. But I promise, Hard Rock, you're gonna regret this. You're gonna regret this. When I blow up, when I'm a multi-millionaire, you can't get none of my coins because I don't gamble no more. You're gonna regret this. But God, what do you want from me? Y'all ever feel that way? Like you just want to know, what does God want from you? And then now I gotta go sit in silence and like really talk to myself and just get down to the bottom of this. Like, okay, what you want? What you want, God? he want a Christian. What you need, God? He need a Christian. Y'all just gotta sit down and just think that through. But with my sister, she's really good at makeup. She's good at hair. When I was getting my real estate stuff done, I ain't had nobody to do my hair. That's my headshot, like the picture, my little famous Peach McINTYRE photo. That everybody like, I can't stand seeing this picture in the YouTube group. I can't stand her in this big ass selfie. That's my real estate headshot. Daddy took that picture from me with our camera, and years ago. But I didn't have anybody to do my hair. My sister, she didn't have a job at the time, and she was like, I'll do your hair for free. And I was like, you know how to do hair? And she was like, yeah, I know how to do hair. I do it for free. And I was like, no, I'm gonna pay you. But she did my hair. I think I only paid her like $35. Like, she didn't charge me a lot, and she did a great job. And after that, people started wanting her to do their hair, and she was able to start doing hair as a business. And then she just went to cosmetology school and finished. So I'm really proud of her. Like, I see her accomplishments on social media, and you know, congratulations to her and stuff. But I don't hang out with people. So y'all like, I don't hang out with people. I would say like 90% of the time I'm by myself if I'm not with my kids. I don't like being in the space of people. I feel like relationships are so hard to be in. It don't even matter if it's a family relationship. You got to deal with people's problems. You got to deal with their happy moments and their sad moments. Just like y'all. Look at y'all listening to me be sad for a moment. Like, girl, Peaches, I feel like I'm acting like a brat and a punk. Like, bitch, you was not no brat and you was not no punk. You did not grow up spoiled. Suck the shit up. Poke your chest out. Be a thug. Remember, you a G, baby, because I'm a thug. And we ain't finna let this break us. We is not, like Daddy said, we is not gonna let 3 bad moments make us have a bad day. We had 3 bad moments. We had a good ass day with 3 bad moments. I gotta get my energy back right for this class, for this one-on-one. I got a one-on-one. Gotta get the energy back right. Gotta come through with positivity. Gotta get ready to encourage her and you know, teach. I can't come in here and just be like, yeah, girl, I just can't get out of it. I can't come to her with my problems. I have to throw my problems in the trash and just be focused. So I'm ready. I'm proud to put on some Rod Wave, some thug motivation, yeah. This a straight drop in the pot shit, crack rock shit, stand back and watch it rock shit, yeah. Yeah, I'm about to listen to Thug Motivation, and then I'm gonna listen to Misunderstood, and then I'm gonna listen to Won't He Do It, he said he would, and then I'm gonna be good, and then, yeah, I'll see y'all shortly. I made it home. I just finished my class. I wasn't even able to eat my food. Haven't eaten it at all. Now I gotta go get the kids. So it's like, we still not gonna be able to eat this. I'm gonna have to end up sharing it with the kids. It is what it is. It'd be like that sometimes. But my class was so good. It was a one-on-one. So it was so good. I taught her a lot. It was great energy. She was super positive. And I look forward to seeing her making a lot of money.
Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Like, follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like it like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.